Guys, Kevin, BlindLuckMechanic, just doing some home improvements on my new place. Putting up a paper towel rack. Just putting it on here on the inside of the cabinet. Not really auto mechanic related, but I figured I'd bring y'all along anyways. So come with me. See if we can get this done pretty easily. Out of my wheelhouse here, as far as y'all know me, I'm a mechanic. Maybe the drill is a bit too ambitious. We're going to go at it with a screwdriver. Or at least get them started with the screwdriver. Right, there we are. Find my screw again. Nope. Come on now. Yeah, it was starting. Second guessed myself. God, I hate dealing with trees. Okay, there it is. And my other screw here. You can let it go. Well, I said you could. Get the camera a little further away from you, that way they can't hear you breathing. Yeah, I thought I was going to make that easier by using the drill, but we'll see if we can run them in there with the drill at least. A bit of speed. Nope, that's the wrong size apparently. Now that bit's just done. Yeah, that's what it is. Bit needs thrown away. Screwdriver it is. Glad I brought it. I got it. You gotta hold it. That screw is stripped. Or this bit driver's done one too. Let me try this. I got it on low speed. Nope, well, it was on low speed. I got the angle of the dangle wrong. Yeah, I started that in crooked as can be, but it's alright. Alright guys, there it is. Paper towel rack installed. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe, do all those things. Peace.